Hi guys, I am Umair Nazim and welcome to Let's Code. It is our first video and I will take a start from Java language. Why I select Java as a beginner? Because Java has a successful career and it is the most widely used language in the world. It is used to create like window applications, JFrames. It is used in artificial intelligence and also it is widely used in creating Android apps. And one more reason is it is very easier to use. If you learn Java from the beginner, then you can easily shift yourself to any other language. So to run a Java, actually you have to install an environment in your operating system. You can use different environments if you want. You can use JNetBeans, you can use JDevelopers, but I will show you how to download Eclipse. So without wasting any time, let me show you the Eclipse. So to download the Eclipse, first you have to download a Java JDK in your operating system. After that, we can download Eclipse. But already I have downloaded Eclipse in my operating system, but I will show you the simple steps, the basic steps. So first open your browser and type here Java JDK download. So here I click Java JDK download. Now in the first option, as you can see that Java download Oracle, you will click here and you have to download the latest variant. So the latest variant is Java 17 available now, and Java SE development kit, this one. So this one is the latest variant, as you can see. So if you are using the Linux, then you can download for the Linux. Here they have a different packages. If you are using the Mac, then you can download for the Mac, and here if you are using the Windows, then you can use the Windows. So I will show you for the Windows. So for the Windows, you have to click this one, the installer, and when you will click on this link, it will start downloading. After downloading this one, after downloading this one, you can install the Eclipse. So for the Eclipse, when you will come again to your browser, and here you have to write Eclipse download. So when you will write here Eclipse download, so here in the first option, as you can see that Eclipse download the Eclipse Foundation. So this one is the original website. You have to click here, and after that, as you can see here, get Eclipse IDE. This one is the latest IDE for the Eclipse, and you have to download on this button, this orange color button. When you will click on this orange color button, then the Eclipse will get starting downloading in your operating system. But one more thing, guys, I want to share with you. While downloading this thing, if you are facing any different kind of errors, then after that you have to download this download package. When you will click on this download package, not in the first one, you have to click on this one. Yes, Eclipse IDE for Android developers. So you have to click for the Linux, you have to click here, and for the Mac you have to click here. For example, I will click here. As you can see that here it is a download with the orange button. So when you will click on this download, it will start downloading your Eclipse. After that, when you will successfully install this one, so here I have downloaded my Eclipse. So as you can see that here I have Eclipse. So when you will click here on the Eclipse, so first of all, like you can set it with your workspace, like with the path within any directory. So after that, this one is that like default directory, don't need to change it. So you will use here and don't ask it again, then launch. So as you can see that our Eclipse has been successfully installed. So when you will see this one, you will see a welcome like window in a Java. So while to create a new package in the Java, first of all we have to create a project. So how can we create a first project to write a code? Here in the new, you will click on the Java project. So here in the Java project, you can give any name, for example, basic download. So for example, it's a name, you can give any other name. So it is just, I'm going to show you, that's why I write it here, basic download. Then after creating the project, you have to create a package. The second step is package. So here in the package, So in the package, if you want, you can give this one the name. It doesn't matter, the same name, default name, or if you want to change it, you can change. So I will give this the default name. So after this default name, now the third step is to create the class. So click on the class, and here you can give any name. For example, I want to create here, so any class name, for example basic, or you can say tutorial. Okay, so I click here in the tutorial. So I will click on this one, the main. So public static void main. So when you will click here, then our execution will start, and I will show you why we select this option. So as you can see, here we have our package name, here we have our class tutorial, and within this class we have this main method. So we have this main method. So here in the main method, whatever you will write in the main method, the Java will execute our code within the main method. Without the main method, Java will not execute your program. So you have to write everything within the main method. So that's it for today, guys. I have showed you how to download the Eclipse. Now in the upcoming videos, we will deal how to write our first code in Java. So with this, if you like my video, please share it with your friends, write your comments, and subscribe my channel. So that's it for today, and see you in the next video with a new topic.